Creating a ticket in ControlPro. To create our ticket, what we're going to want to do is come to the ticket component here on your home screen, hit the plus sign, and it'll bring up our ticket creation window. First thing we're going to do is hit the plus sign at materials to select our materials, and I'm going to go ahead and filter this so I can find my products a little bit quicker by hitting the type, because I know I want liquid. I'm going to select multiple products at the same time by holding the control key and clicking at the same time. If you wanted to and felt more comfortable, you could just select one at a time and hit accept as well. So as you see, our materials are added to the screen. For those familiar with ControlPro, I've been using it for a while. With our updated version of 3.1, you can see we've consolidated the information. To set the preset for the materials, we're going to come here in the total, click, and we will enter our information. We're going to do 40,000 pounds of product 2 and 200 pounds of product 4. Down here at the bottom, we've got some information. We confirm here that the unit of measure for this ticket is going to be pounds. The mix type for this ticket is going to be liquid, because we're going to be running this on a liquid system. AutoCalc carriers is going to be very specific. If you are using a carrier and have any questions, please contact MEI and we will assist you. Over here, we've got the total amount of our presets. Down here, if we wanted to possibly run this ticket based on acres instead of total amount, you can see right now acreage is locked. So what we want to do is hit the pencil over here at total amount. That will lock in the total amount, and then over here in acreage, we could input whatever it may be. For this one, we're just going to put 125 acres. And you can see down here, it'll adjust the application rate to 321.6 pounds per acre. Next, what we want to do is put in some details, a description of what this ticket is going to be. Typically, you would put your guaranteed analysis in here. I know I did not in the other window make a 32%, but just for demonstration purposes, we're going to go ahead and call this 32%. And then if you needed any other notes that may be in the description, you could put that in here as well. Mixed groups and estimated batches are some advanced settings that I will cover in other videos, so please be on the lookout for those. Down here in autocomplete, these are typically checked by default. If you do not have it checked and think that it may need to be, please reach out to us. Down here in expires, you can set this ticket to expire if you wish. We'll go ahead and set expiration date for August 2nd. It's not necessary, but you may want to set one. Right now, if we try to save, ControlPro will give us a warning because we're trying to save without having a customer assigned. So we need to come over here to the customers and attributes, click on the plus sign, and add a customer to our ticket. In this case, we're going to go ahead and select Asgard, and that customer is now added. We can hit save, and that customer is created. Some other details we could add to this ticket if we wish. We could come over here to attributes, and here on the drop down, you can see there's several different descriptors here. You could leave a comment, unit measure, delivery notes. Here in the value, let's say here, do delivery notes. And if it was something we wanted to leave for the driver, we could say deliver to Bill's farm, and that note would be on the ticket for the driver. So we can go ahead and save now, and our ticket is created. What we'll be doing next is adding that ticket to a system. So please watch the video on adding tickets to a system if you have any questions.